showing up to the airport, walking out into a private jet with all these other builders and architects. That's a once in a lifetime experience, and getting to go up to the cockpit and, they're explaining like, okay, this is how flight patterns work. And that was very cool.
The town is really just centered around Pella, and everywhere we went, everybody had a smile on their face, and it was just really pleasant to be around.
Kimberly, our tour guide, if you will, did a great job. She kept it interesting. She, asked us questions. There was just a right amount of like giving us information, letting us ask questions, and then like doing a little bit of also just walking around and checking things out.
I would say that Pella's probably head and shoulders above other window companies in their innovation. Just seeing the history of what they've introduced as far as window products since the 20s has just been really eye-opening.
I just love how Pella's using technology to really make it just the most efficient process possible, and continuing to try to make it a better process. That was really interesting.
When it comes to recommending Pella over a competitor's product, it's going to be a pretty easy sale due to their innovation, their technologies, and them continuing to work on their internal components, their roll screen systems, their latching mechanisms. So there's a lot of neat product development that comes out of Pella, and I found that to be very impressive.